Hey friend, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate. In this video, we're going to talk about the word renown. Renown. We're going to answer two important questions. What does renown mean? And how do we pronounce the word renown? Let's get started and jump right in. The word renown is a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. The word renown means fame. Let me repeat that one more time. The word renown means fame. So that we better understand the meaning of the word, let's check out some example sentences. Example number 1. After killing the dragon, the knight's renown spread throughout the entire kingdom. After killing the dragon, the knight's renown spread throughout the entire kingdom. So his fame, the story of what happened, what took place, and how much of a hero he is spread throughout the entire kingdom. Example number 2. Some successful people want the spotlight. Others try to avoid the renown and glory. Let's repeat that one more time. Some successful people want the spotlight. Others try to avoid the renown and glory. So some people want the attention focused on themselves, but some people want to push away the attention, the fame, the renown. Renown is a two-syllable word, and I've included the phonetic pronunciation of the word on this screen. It's important to understand what a word means, but it's also important to know how to pronounce the word. So let's practice pronouncing the word together. I will repeat the word 3 times. I want you to listen first and then repeat after me. Renown. 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 Great job, friend, for practicing English today with me. I'm so excited. I want to recommend some videos for you to practice some other words with me. But also in the comments section, make sure you tell me what words you want to practice next. I will review that list and try to make videos for you in the words you want to practice. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.